This should be working now. Let me try again. Okay. All right. I hope you guys can hear me. All right. Okay. Am I audible? I don't know. I think people will quickly join. I'll just share the link with everyone. Oh, sort of got it. Okay. I think patience with everyone. Live now. Okay. All right. Okay. So we are live. That is great. And what else do we need to do? What do we need to do, guys? Give me 1 second. I'll just set up a few things here and there, and then we are good to go. Yeah. Okay. Not very easy though. Wait. All right. Okay. We should be good to go, I guess. Let me just make sure the chat is also visible. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think I can get this here. Hello, Nihal. What's up, yeah? Thank you so much for joining. I'm glad I could stream now. It's not so easy. How are you doing? What else do I need to do? I need to set up a few more things. All right. Okay. Hope my voice is good enough for you guys to at least hear me. When did you start wearing specs? I do have specs, but they're just like not. I don't have a significantly concernable number. I don't know. That's a new word I just found out. But yeah, like it's okay. It's like only point 1.25 or something. Both audio video fine. That is great. Perfect. Let's go, guys. Hi, Saurabh. What's up? Yeah, hola, hola. Oh, okay. There's one thing I wanted to give a try. For some reason, if you see, I feel there's some lag. Yeah, I mean, there's significant lag in um. Yeah, I don't know. Windows terminal just lags a lot with Emacs, and that's very weird. Hi Shivam. Hi Saurabh. What's up, guys? How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. By the way, glad you're here. आवाज़ बढ़ाओ तुम अपना स्पीकर की आवाज़ बढ़ाओ ठीक है और पहले whenever you join you should say hi ठीक है and then you should talk एक etiquettes होते हैं ठीक है you should come and say hi bro what's up how you doing नहीं हमें तो आवाज़ बढ़ाओ गेन बढ़वाना है और गेन मैं बढ़ा दे रहा हूँ just because you said shut up ठीक है that is a good way that's what I mean okay इतना सही है या चिल्लाऊं कान में आगे घुस के चिल्लाऊं तुम्हें तब तुम्हें सुनाई देगा let me also enable limiter. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Yeah, it's good. How's my voice now, Mohit? Mr. Mohit Wankhede, our original moderator slash I don't know और क्या नाम दूँ इतना ही काफ़ी है आज तक लिखा स्ट्रीम सेटअप करना ज़रूरी है यार स्ट्रीम सेटअप करने से ज़्यादा अच्छा चीज़ ये है कि देखो या आई थिंक आई स्टिल फील दैट आई डोंट स्लैश सी क्या है भाई ओ अच्छा गाली दे रहा है ओके ओके दैट्स फाइन गाली देना इज अलाउड I was just checking. So this is like okay. I want to import project. Hi, where you from, Ravi? Hi, Bhavan. Thank you so much for joining here. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and I'm living in Bangalore right now. But yeah, I mean, yes, I if that's a trick question from Chakde India. I'm from India, but then I'm also from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and I live in Bangalore. I answered this 2 times. Thank you so much for joining, by the way. Is this your first time? How did you know it? Is it very obvious that I'm from Rajasthan? Okay, let me try sound like uh, a South Indian. Um, okay, no, it's very hard to sound like South Indian. Ever tried Helix? I have tried. Pavan. Oh, this is your first time and you're from Jaipur as well? Is it from Jaipur or are you from Rajasthan as well? Ever tried Helix? No, I have not tried. I think I just felt it a few times. I just tried installing it and then kind of stopped using it. So it's been up and down the journey for me. But yeah, it is what it is. I've heard good things about Helix, but I'm very happy with Emacs. There's only one thing that I feel. Okay, guys, if you want to observe this thing, okay, you do you see any lag? No, right? Like I hope not, but if you see, let me know. But it's very quick, right? Like you can see, okay, everything is quick. Buffer completion is quick, right? Quick. You guys understand? So far, okay, you guys are on the same page that there is no lag. Now I'll show you something, okay? Now let's enter terminal, okay? So this is Windows terminal now that we are going to open, okay? And then I will show you, and I think I can exit this one, okay? All right, okay. So towards the bottom, like this is right, bottom right is Windows terminal, and top right is what? Western. No, they are both. Ouch. Sorry, they were both Windows terminals. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do -nw. That's going to open within this terminal. Okay. So I can open this Emacs project and edit functions.c, right? And then you just observe what's going to happen. Okay. First of all, do you see any glitch when I'm scrolling? If not, it's visible to me, but maybe it's not to you because I think the redrawing mechanism they have, it's very slow. But let's try typing, okay? Now you see that there's gonna be some lag. Are you guys seeing this lag? It's not my slow typing, okay? It's just very weird. Let me show you again. Yeah, you see, like it's very weird. It's glitching. Yeah, I don't know what is there. It's not really a lag, but it's very weird. Like no, 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 no. Bas whatever I say, this guy is gonna come and say opposite. Slow typing, wow. Not smooth at all, right? Yeah, it is. It's glitching, right? And I don't know what's happening because if it was supposed to be on WSL and all, it would have been happening in Vestam as well, which is a default emulator I use for my stuff, and I can show you. Delete Windows. I cannot because I need to stream, and the background cancellation you see it comes from NVIDIA broadcast, and I can't really help it. But you also know that Windows is something I cannot fight away from. I mean, as much as I like using Linux, I'm inclined towards believing that Windows was supposed to be a desktop operating system, um, and Linux was supposed to be a server where you can just work. Let me play it in 2x. हाँ glitch कम हो जाएगा. Very nice, very smart. It used to happen to me when I used to use WSM with 8 gigs RAM. I think now they have changed, right? Earlier, this was where you could give WSL with some static memory, like whatever fixed size memory you want to give. But now it's dynamic, right? It's just or do they have a cap? Saurabh, to your message in the chat, I'm okay with it. What is Olympic Arena, by the way? Is it Majesteen? Let me play. Since I upgraded to 16, it's all fine. It takes like no, I have 64 gigs of RAM, so I'm happy to give it all the RAM it needs, to be honest. But is it still that case? हाँ तो चलेगा. Is if any everyone is okay, please come over here. We can go. Okay. No, no. Okay, guys, we're losing the point here. First of all, tell me this thing. Does it really need this thing? What was the शिट यार 32 लगा के घर ले जाना था भाई तो रहने दे तुझे कीबोर्ड दिया था वो भी तो लेके नहीं गया फॉर कॉन्टेक्स्ट गाइस मोहित वानखेड़े is he came over my place and he was saying that okay you should have taken the 32 gigs of RAM would be useful. How do you config WSL config? Okay, let me just search for it, right? Advanced configurations. WSL.conf, where is it? /etc, okay. Oh, okay. I always end up using, you invite subscribers to, you invite subscribers to your place. Apparently, Mohit is not a subscriber. He is more like I would still call him the main owner of this channel. So yeah, I think I've been lucky to have hosted a few people at my place so far. Guys, if you're in Bangalore, please feel free to come over and just ping me on my Discord channel. We'll be happy to chat. I remember like Varu has come over, and even Saurabh and all of us have played badminton with him. So it's always been good. चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में बदलते दिल के तराने लिए ta 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 ta. Yes, can you please help? Where is this? Where's the RAM memory? Okay, memory 50%. Default is 50% of total memory on Windows, right? So that's what I meant. How much memory to assign to WSL to VM? Ta 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 ta. It was too bad. But फीडबैक देते हैं लोग आके आजकल, शर्म नहीं आती है. फीडबैक disallow Danshi. Maybe do edge top. I wish I had edge top. Oh, I have. Oh, I never installed it, but it's okay. Has been in it. CPU percent. No, nothing is using it. Okay, yeah, you're right. Sorry, I should be starting Emacs first and then doing it, right? Feedback. नाम मत ले भाई. Okay, let's try now. Okay, let's stop, and Emacs is taking 33. Oh wow. No, that's 5%. Okay. Okay. I think initially it took a lot of RAM because of um it kind of starting up LSP and all. That's what I think. तुझ में खोया रहूं मुझ में खोई रहे तू. Even this has some lag, right? Can you guys see? You guys see this? It's also lagging. It's not just Windows terminal. My oh wow, it was 80% RAM whenever I was typing. Guys, look at this again, okay? Lisp object. Look at this. When I'm typing, it's 97 gigs, 97% of RAM. Why? But yeah, I'm just typing. What the? Should I just use Vim, plain Vim, and just get rid of it? Are it's not about Windows? Okay, it could be about Windows. Okay, let's do this, right? But it should be saying, okay. Oh, 90% CPU. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Right. Memory is very less. Okay. But still, it should not be using that much amount of CPU, right? Okay, right. All right. This so far it's 14.6. I'm just scrolling. I've not started editing, okay? But now I'm gonna edit define main. 62% RAM is less for sure. Why it should not be about CPU? Why is this? I don't know. Extern void. Yeah, still. Is there any way to use GPU utilize? Okay, so utilize GPU for WSL. I think they do that by default. I'll be surprised if they don't, to be honest. That's one of the things. See now it as just 99.8%, 101%. Oh god, it's lagging. Threadripper. सब क्या बातें कर रहे हो भाई? Can you talk in Hindi or English? Okay, I honestly don't know what's happening here. It was actually 100%. Okay, Emacs taking 100% CPU usage. Yeah, this one, right? But this is still open. Same things happens with me on Windows as well. That's why I switched to Linux. I don't want to switch to Linux. Guys, don't. Okay, fine. I can switch to Linux, I guess. But then you will not be able to. Okay, fine. Let's try without background. And are you ready to see my face without background? Let me try. So that's my without background scene. So, I mean, I used to prefer having this thing where, like, I can show you this. This is how it looks like. I was hoping to avoid it. Performance is greater in aesthetics. That's a that's a good way to put it. Nice. I don't know. Yeah, I agree. Performance is greater than aesthetics. Location change. Yes, Mohit. देखो अब मैंने क्या किया है, सो जहाँ सोफ़ा था वहाँ मैंने टेबल रख दी है, एंड जहाँ टेबल थी वहाँ मैंने सोफ़े रख दिए हैं। सो व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड इज़, आई विल टेल यू, ये इस बारे में हम बात कर सकते हैं। It's something I want to talk about as well, guys. I'm sorry you guys are seeing me on full screen, but it's worth talking about. Okay, so the way it works is, right, uh, like so far जैसे ही, like the way I've set up my desk and all, I've realized this thing that your desk should not be in the center, right? In fact, like what my mother says, that you should never have your center of a room filled with like furniture and all. Okay, it should be empty. Earlier, this, like, my living room was filled with my desk because it's standing desk and couple of chairs and three monitors, one CPU and all of that. So it was very filled, okay, but that's still okay. Like, I'm a bachelor, I can fill my living room. That's how it should be. But what was happening was, whenever I would work on it, like, I will see on left side it was open, so I could go to sofa. So whenever I move left, I would see the sofa, and look at the sofa. If I go right, I would see my bedroom, and if I go back, that was my kitchen. So I was not able to focus because there was always a way out. Right now with my setup, what I've done is, towards the right, it's a wall with my balcony. Right, so even if I want to go, it's my balcony. It's not a resting time and all. Towards my left, it's my door, that if I want to exit out of this flat, I can do that. Towards my back, it's normal living room. It's very empty now. I can show you one day. I can do a quick house tour if you guys want. It's not a really nice house though. I've not bought it yet, so it's still rental. So it is what it is. But I'm preferring to go this way, and I hope you guys like it. And the railway soothing sound is BGM. Yup. So there's a railway track nearby. It's just outside of this balcony. You see a railway track, and Vande Bharat, like all kind of trains that go along with this route, this route or route. I don't know what to call it, but they all go around, and the sound is really soothing. And it's like sometimes when you're stressed out, right, and when you like listen to that sound, you feel really good because you can just you can just relax and look at the life moving around. Right. All right, let's start. Okay, time to install Linux in that case. Because I'll be honest, let's give a test again, guys. To. Okay, all right, guys. Give me a few seconds or minute. I don't know how much time can you guys give me, but I'm gonna install Linux. It's weekend. I can do this, but I never wanted to do this because of the noise. But I think it should be fine. Okay, I only have one TB. That is bad. Can I have shrink volume, please? I have 625 GB free. I can make some. Which distro though? I was planning to use this Hyper Land for my stuff. I hope it doesn't crash anymore though. But I was hoping to use. Yeah, I've installed Endeavor. I'm glad you remember that. Not Fedora. So you don't have to delete it. It's okay. I was hoping to use Endeavor, but because like it's just for the reason that okay, it's nice, and um, I wanted to use Arc. Um, don't have enough energy to go and install Arc again from scratch. It's too tiring to allocate memory myself and all. How much size of available space is? 430 gigs. Okay, so I want 400 gigs. Yeah, not open source. Yeah, I I think the thing with OpenSUSE or SUSE, some people call it OpenSUSE by the way, isn't Hyperland arc based. Hyperland is just a dynamic tiling window variant compositor. It's not something more than that. Is arc based in terms of that? No. Yeah, it's just a variant compositor. Nothing else. Like nothing more, nothing less. Da, 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 da. Okay, I only have 3 gigs, 30 gigs of memory left. I think that was because of VirtualBox and all. So I might need to open it and delete it again. I don't know how to do that. Let me see. Because I want to allocate good amount of memory to my Linux distribution if I'm doing it at all. Anyways, 300 gigs should be fine. I think I'm just gonna let it be. Oh, so the problem with that is it's very hard to install packages, right? I know there's Zipper, if I remember correctly. Was it ZY? Was it this thing that you can use? But also there's like you download a file to install that, and if you open Firefox, it will open like automatically install it for you. So I know that there are two versions of OpenSUSE. One is Tumbleweed, and one is the other one that is more stable or something, right? So I have tried the stable ones. I felt that okay, yeah, and Leap, right? So I wasn't having enough options to install things, so it is what it is. Anyways, guys, I think give me half an hour max. Okay, I'm gonna come back and string. And for all those people who are here, please um, stay here and like let me know. Um, and then we can finish it. Yeah, please join Discord. Yes, I will. Let me send out the invite again, guys. I don't know किधर Linux install करने जा रहा हूँ भाई. I'll be back. Alright, guys. Until you're on Discord, perfect. Alright, guys. So I'll catch up with you soon. Okay, just give me some time. Bye, everyone. Bye bye. Thank you, Nihal. Thank you, Shivam. Thank you, Mohit. Thank you, Bhavan. First time, welcome. Thank you, Saurabh. Mohit को again thank you. I don't know if I said thank you to already. Okay, आए नहीं यार. Shit. चलो, bye. Like करके जाओ. Yes.